My name is Malek, and I have not been to the dentist in over 3 years. I'm very reluctant to go into the dentist because I just had horrible experiences in the past. I just don't like pain. Quite honestly, I'm afraid of needles. I don't like pain, and it just feels like a stuffy environment. So I have not been there in quite some time. I thought that I was doing well. I brush regularly, I floss. Well, I probably should floss more than I actually do. I've been having a significant amount of pain relatively recently. I do, unfortunately, have pain on the left side of my mouth. I have bleeding occasionally on my gums and a lot of discomfort. So because of that discomfort, it's clearly affected my daily life, my family life, my work environment. I have to be in the forefront. I have to be seen by people. I have to give presentations. And because of the level of discomfort that I'm having, I'm very conscientious of my breath, about my pain. And I just thought that, okay, I have to do something about this. Despite my reluctance to going and, to an actual dentist. So it just came to a point where I said, okay, Malek, you have to do something. You have to do something. I started looking, I did some research, and I found Dr. Azzawi. Well, they stress here that they use painless procedures, so that's definitely a plus. Location is great, it looks great. The reviews, so far so good. And I think I'm just gonna give it a shot at this point. I'm hoping that this is going to be the right doctor for me.
Hello, Malek.
Dr.
How
Azzawi.
you doing?
Good.
Azzawi.
Pleasure to meet you. Please go ahead. Thank you.
Malek, how I can help you today?
I've been having issues with my teeth. I get sensitivity. There's bleeding on my gums. I'm not really able to chew on my left side of my mouth just because it hurts.
When do you have last visit to the dentist?
I'm afraid to go to the dentist, quite honestly. I don't like needles. Every time I go, I feel like I'm in pain.
Well, we have the alternative for you for sure, but let's do first the exam and full x-rays, and I will let you know.
Sounds good. Okay, so far.
Let's start.
All right, sounds great. The dental visit actually went really well. I was pleasantly surprised. I went in there, I was definitely a little apprehensive just because I had bad experiences going to dentists, and who likes going to the dentist? I went in, I met with Dr. Azzawi. Again, he was very welcoming, he was very hospitable. The staff was fantastic. He knew exactly what my concerns were, and he reassured me that everything was gonna be fine, and sure enough it was. I got an x-ray. From the x-ray, we found out that I had a fracture in my left tooth, but we weren't too sure. So he proceeded to use this microscope that he had. With this technology, he was able to see what was the problem. He recommended that I do a deep clean. So I did a deep clean. It was easy. He applied some numbing cream. He started up in different quadrants in my mouth. After every quadrant, he sat me down and said, okay, are you okay? Can we continue? And then I did, because I thought it was fine. So we kept on going, and I did all 4 quadrants within my mouth, and I felt great. Felt clean, fresh, and no pain. I feel amazing, I feel fresh, I feel confident. That obviously transcended into my work environment. I just feel really, really comforted because now I'm able to focus on my work rather than on my pain. That has given me a lot more confidence. I don't have to worry about, presenting and having bleeding gums or having bad breath or anything of that sort. I just felt that I was getting amazing service in an amazing environment with some very professional people who really do what they say that they're gonna do. And my experience overall was fantastic.